Dear customer, if you want to avoid WhatsApp number blockage, please make sure to set a delay timer between each message. Log on to your WebP Plus dashboard, go to Host, and then click on WhatsApp. Click on Edit button where your WhatsApp number is connected. Set the interval to a minimum of 10 seconds and maximum of 60 seconds. Then click Submit. After enabling this setting, a delay of 10 to 60 seconds will automatically be applied between each message. A different random delay will be used after every message, making the sending pattern looks natural and reducing the risk of your number being blocked. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.